duck gobbled. Yeah. I think over there by where we just called up that hen, that other field down there, that brushy area. Let's see. Let me hit him again and see if he'll do it a second time. Did you hear him? Yeah. The second blast, he did it. He gobbled. That's that field already. That's I'm wondering. Here, let me do it one more time, and you move down there. Try to crow call this guy one more time so Dad can pinpoint him a little bit easier when I'm not blasting this call in my ears. Sounds like he's been moving down a little bit. Let's just sit here a second. Okay. was. It was farther back behind it, Bill.
Oh, wait a minute now.
Yeah. He putted that one time, and I gave that soft yelp. I was hoping you could see him, because I could, because if he turned and went back, I was going to shoot him, but yeah. He's going to pop all the way to the bottom of the hill. Good bird. I got him. Okay. Nice job. First bird of the year for you.
Take that, Don Ward.
Come over. So, boy, they came up quick. I don't know if they ran down and across, or if they flew across. But when we got, no, and when that bird gobbled over on this side down in here, I was like, oh, they're coming. And then when we were sitting up there, and I said, they're coming, I heard him snap one branch, and instantly I could see his head already coming. I could see that, and I thought it was a jake, because that's who was gobbling the last couple of times. I think it was a tom and a jake, but yeah, he's finally done flopping. So. Yeah, but he gobbled good. I think this is that one we heard this morning, which is, being 2-year-old is probably why it gobbled so much too. So he gobbled a good bit. So yeah. Yep.
Well, want to go across the road?
What? Yeah, we got about an hour left, maybe.
It's 10:40 right now.
Oh yeah, we got time. We'll go over across the road and might pick up another bird.
Later.
Yeah.
Just about an hour.
Okay. This is kind of like a curbside pickup for your food for the coronavirus. Turning around, so just be still. Missed him. I was looking for him over here. He was right down over the edge, and this Jake was already staring at me. There was a Jake up here. I couldn't see him anymore. When he was on that, and when he came down, I couldn't see him anymore. And then when he gobbled, I knew he was within range. And I kept standing up higher and higher. I didn't realize this dropped off so steep. I was expecting it just to be level like that. And I kept going higher and higher and higher. Well, he was right down there on the side. Well, he could see me before I could ever get up to see him. And want to say again, congratulations to my dad on a great bird. First week of Ohio. Had a lot of fun. Hope you get a chance to get out in the woods yourself soon and enjoy all that God has created. Take care.